Good morning, Emma. Did you sleep well?
Not really, Nick. The neighbors were loud.
That is too bad. I made fresh coffee.
You are a lifesaver. I really need caffeine.
Drink it while hot. It is your favorite.
It tastes amazing. Thank you. You are so kind.
I try my best. Do you have meetings?
Yes, my presentation is today. I am quite nervous.
You will be great. You worked very hard.
I hope you are right. The boss is demanding.
He knows your talent. Don't worry about it.
I want that promotion soon. We need the money.
We will get there. Just do your best.
You always help me. I should go now.
Take your time, honey. What time is meeting?
It starts at 10. Wish me luck.
Good luck, superstar. I packed your lunch.
That is very sweet. You are the best.
See you tonight, Emma. Have a great day.
You too, Nick. Bye for now.
I am at store. What do we need?
We need some milk. Check the expiration date.
I have the milk. Do we need bread?
Get the whole wheat. It is much healthier.
Bread is in basket. Do you want snacks?
Maybe some dark chocolate. That would be nice.
I will get chocolate. Anything else for tonight?
Don't forget sparkling water. We are almost out.
I have the water. I am going to check out.
Perfect. Thank you, honey. I am leaving work.
I will meet you. See you at home.
Wait, do we need eggs? Check the fridge list.
I am already at cash. I will check later.
Okay, never mind then. We can buy them tomorrow.
I am done here. I am walking to car.
I am starting the car. See you in 20.
Drive slow, Emma.
I will be careful. I am not in a hurry.
See you soon, honey. I love you very much.
Love you too, Nick. See you at home.